shark. Grr. I do believe.
My name's Sean. Hi there. And my name's
Hello, Sean.
My name's L'Oreal Regenerate Screen.
Hello. I do believe I had your last friend. I mean, look.
Hello.
I have your last friend in my mouth.
Oh no.
Well, this is our puppet show, and we hope you enjoy it.
Hello. My name's Sausage. Oh, I seem to have a friend missing.
Oh, hello. My name's Sharky. My name's Sharky von Steinendoodle.
Hello, how do you
I do think I might have eaten your friend.
Oh, I hope not.
He was very tasty.
What are you
I
doing?
ate
What are
him
you
for my
doing?
breakfast. And then I spit on him.
Will you marry me, please?
How? No.
Is that a yes or a no?
I am so angry with you.
Attack! Oh, I attacked myself! Oh.
That is all for today, folks.
Hello there! And I'm selling you these! They're very nice. They've got a bit of these in. And do you know why they're so nice? This is Mr. Sharky's sex show, and he said, yeah, come on, take it home with one of these. Candles, candles, oh, yeah! Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Anyone here?
Hello, this is Sharky.
Hi there!
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing just fine with a little bit of pressure on my foot.
I'm having a nice time in India. Where are you now?
Oh my gosh! I'm like so in America! Oh my gosh!
Yeah, Lovey.
Don't do that because I've just come back from Scotland, so don't do that.
Oh, I come back from Scotland the other day. I had the worst case of diarrhea there ever was.
And what would that be?
The sheets.
The sheets?
They're nasty, squatty diseases.
You're telling me you have the sheets?
The sheets, yes, let me
Sorry, I
explain.
got to go. I have run out of credit.
Yeah, well, let me explain the sheets to you. First, you do a big plop, and then all of a sudden, it comes squirting out. And then the hose pipe. It's like... It is very, very, very dirty. Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sharky. How are you doing?
I'm doing just fine.
Well, it's very, very nice to meet you. And,
Did you know what I had yesterday?
what?
Boobies.
Ooh.
Ah, that is my head. Oh, no, I'm dead now. I'm dead.
He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Hello, my name's Frank.
And my name's Jeremy.
Hello, Frank and Jeremy. What one's which?
You're helping my friend.
Shame on you!
Oh no! Get him! Harder! 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 Close off!
These look a bit big for your boxer shorts, Frank.
No, these are not. Oh my god! Oh